And if he's making $3,000 per client, that means that every single month he is making over $12,000, well, $12,700 to be more specific. That is a crazy amount of money to make online doing this method. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to actually explain to you how somebody that I know went from $0 all the way up to $10,000 per month online. Now, it's quite a funny story how this all came about. So I actually met this guy a few months ago, and I paid him to do this method for me. And I'll explain to you in a second what that means. But what happened is I asked him recently, I was like, how much do you actually make from doing this? And he told me he makes around about, well, minimum at this point in time, $10,000 per month doing this. And then we got chatting some more, and I said to him, would you mind if I did a video about this, showing you guys this method in case some of you guys wanted to go and make some money with this as well. Now, this is a bit of a disclaimer. I have no idea if you will make money with this, but I do want to actually show you this method in case you want to go out and give it a go, because you could potentially make some money from this. And right now it's actually becoming really, really big and popular, and there's even more people making money with this. So maybe you could jump onto this right now while it's fresh, and there's only a few people actually making money from this. Now, he makes a minimum of $3,000 every time he does this. He makes around about $3,000 to $5,000, sometimes even more, but we'll go more into pricing and how much he makes as we go through this video to help you understand. All right. Now, what I'm going to show you in this video is the method, and then I'm going to show you how to set it up, how to get the traffic so you can make some money. So it's like a bit of a 3-step process, 3 or 4-step process that you need to follow to make money with this method. And I'm also going to give you the free items and free content to get started with this, so you don't, so you have something to start with, right? You're not just starting blind. You actually have something you can start with. So I'm going to give you everything you need in this video. Now, we are doing the giveaway in this video again, guys. If you want a chance to get access to every single one of my courses, all you got to do is find the emoji in this video, smash that like button, comment below that the emoji, what it is, you can say it or put the actual symbol, and you could be in to win access to every single one of my courses. So let's jump into this video and I'll show you exactly how we went from $0 to $10,000 per month. All right, guys, so let's get down to business. I'm going to take you through this strategy, what it does and how it actually works. We'll try and do this step by step as clear as possible. So the first step is really simple. We need to sign up to this platform that has a free trial. Now, you don't have to use this exact platform, but to get my free stuff and use it, you will need to use this specific platform because it only works in there. So the first thing you want to do is go to clickfunnels.com, and this is the website here. Now, you can either go to it directly or there is a link below, which is an affiliate link that you can click. Now, you want to go to start free 14-day trial. So this is free for 14 days. You don't have to pay any money within 14 days and sign up to your trial. Once you sign up, you'll come to a place that looks like this, okay? You don't need to do anything else at this point of time. The next step is we need to upload the page I give you. So in the description, there is a page that looks like this. Now on this page, there's a few things here. We have, this is probably actually going to be a little bit different when you go to it. But what you need to do is once you sign up to ClickFunnels, you get this one right here, okay? So click this button, and what it will do is it will load what we call a funnel into your ClickFunnels account that you can use, okay? So do this one here. And there's actually some free ones, some more free ones, sorry, down here, 18 of them that we will talk about in a second, okay? So that's what you want to do. Now, once you've actually uploaded it into your ClickFunnels account, it will be in your funnels section. So go to ClickFunnels and then go to funnels. And then once you're in here, you want to click on CB quiz page. Now, this is a very generic quiz page that you would need to edit. And what we're going to be doing in this video on how this method works, I'll explain to you how this method works in a second. But what we're going to be actually doing is creating these quiz pages, and we're going to be making money with them in a second. But if I click on edit page here, you'll see that there are these quizzes that I can edit. The site's a bit slow today, but I can edit this page, and this is a quiz, okay? Now, what I've done is in the description, I have put a full tutorial on how you can edit a quiz page, okay? So there's no point to me taking you through a full tutorial right now because there is one in the description that takes you through step by step. This is more about actually making money with this method, okay? Now, what you want to do is the next step is you want to actually practice just creating different types of quiz funnels. The reason you want to do this is because this is important when you actually make money. If you don't know what quiz funnels are, you don't know how to create quiz funnels, just go to Google and type in quiz funnel examples. And there's lots that you can go and look for. So there's all of these types of quiz funnels you can create. Here is another one here. Different types of quiz funnels, okay? We'll come back to this stuff in a second because you're probably dying to know how can you actually make money with this. Now, this is a pretty good quiz funnel in general, so you don't really need to change too much. Like, you pick these questions here, you put in your answers, and like I said, there's a video below on how you can actually create this. But how do you actually go and make money by doing this? What are we actually doing here? So the next step is we need to get traffic, and this is supposed to say so you can make money. So how we make money with this method is very simple. I'll break it down for you right now. What we're going to be doing is going and finding people online that have a small business, and we are going to explain to them why they need some sort of funnel in their business. And you will need some sort of some technique to do this. But what you want to be doing is finding these people and offering them to make them like a quiz funnel. Like, for example, a real estate agent might want to ask potential clients questions, or a car dealership might want to ask someone what type of car they want to buy. There's lots of scenarios that you can give someone for a funnel. You just need to go and create some, but more importantly, you need to actually find clients where you can offer funnels to. But before we do that, how much can you actually make from doing this? So we're going to use this quick calculator here. Now, my friend who I met, and he actually made my funnel for me, I spent $5,000. He charges a minimum of $3,000 to create a basic, I'm talking a basic funnel like this one, okay? It takes him not even a day. Now, he has around about one client per week. So he finds about one client per week. That's about 50 clients per year. So if we do his upfront cost per funnel, what he makes, now this is the minimum, remember, over a year, he makes a minimum of 12, you can ignore the retainers bit, just ignore that, because what happens is he gets his clients to pay up front. He doesn't have a retainer. He just gets them to pay up front. They pay him. He creates the funnel. And he makes a total of $12,700 per year on like minimum. So there's really good money in actually doing this. But how do you go and find people that you can make quiz funnels for? Let me explain. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 3 ways to get clients, okay? A hard way, a medium way, and then an easy way. Now, if you're not sure why you would want to create a quiz funnel for businesses, let me explain. So businesses want to collect emails for their business. You might see them on blogs or other people's funnels. But essentially, when you do a quiz, so here you go, you send traffic to a quiz page. Let me just go on here. You send traffic to a quiz page, and when people ask multiple choice questions, they become a more high quality lead, a qualified lead, instead of someone that's going to be inactive. So quizzes are becoming very, very popular right now. And the thing is, a lot of people don't know how to create them for their business. So if you're good at sales and you can say, hey, well, this is why your business will benefit from a quiz, you can make money by making quizzes for these companies. But more importantly, once the quiz is finished, they can collect an email. So let me show you an example of a simple quiz in action. So this is a simple quiz, get 19 proven quiz funnels. Now these will actually be below that you can get yourself. And these actually have some very nice looking quiz funnels here that you can use for examples and to create for people. But I want to show you this as an example of how it would work. If I click this, a quiz comes up and I answer the questions. There's 3 pages, and then I put my email in. This is what businesses need nowadays to get more qualified leads, because what's more important than money now is attention. If businesses can get attention and they can get more qualified leads, they're going to make more money and they're going to be willing to pay you money to do this for them. So if you want to know how to create funnels, once again, there's a video below, quiz funnels, and you can go and look online. There's lots of quiz funnel examples. Have a mess around and practice on creating some quiz funnels and getting some ideas together on what you can offer people. Pretty straightforward stuff. And this also has the email form in here that you can use and everything that you need, right? Or you can actually get some really cool funnels here as well for completely free. There's a link in the description. Okay, so here's an email page as well. Full video below on how you can edit all this. The next step is how do you actually go and get traffic? So the first one is go to Facebook and go into the groups section and put in business and then your area. Mine is New Zealand, so country of New Zealand or New York or LA, and find Facebook groups where local businesses are in their networking, getting clients, they're talking to other business owners, okay? This is the best place to go and get people looking, that have a business and you can offer your quiz funnel building services to them. Now, I will warn you, this is going to take a little bit of work. So what you need to do, and we'll use my group as an example here, is you need to join these groups. I haven't joined any of these groups, but you need to join these groups and just kind of get a feel of what's happening in the groups. So in the comment section, there will be business owners. You can click on those business owners and you can send them a private message offering your services. Do not spam them though. And there'll be business owners who are actually posting in that group as well. This is just an example group here. So the first place is you want to go to groups and find business groups. You can also go to LinkedIn and find CEOs of bigger companies that way. So that's a great way of doing it if you like, okay? But I would recommend starting here. Get yourself a plan of how you're going to approach these business owners and offer them a funnel building services, specifically building quiz funnels. That's kind of the new up and coming thing, okay? Now, another way you can do this is to go to a website called UpWork.com. Now, this is a lot easier to get money from, okay, to make money. So UpWork.com, what happens is people post a job and they will invite you, or you can actually sign up and go and find jobs. So you go to find work and you can find people who are looking for quiz funnels and things like that. So here's some people here that do funnels for people. This is just an example of what you can make. This guy makes $60 an hour. This guy charges $45 an hour, $40 an hour. This guy does pages from $400. This guy does $25 an hour, $397 an hour. So there's already people on here actually making money. So we know that this works. Now, the best thing about this website is the work kind of comes to you because people actually invite you to the jobs. So go and make a profile on upwork.com offering your service to build quiz funnels for people, okay? This is a really good way to actually go and get some clients. Now, the next one, and probably the worst out of all of them because you won't make a lot of money, but is called Fiverr.com. You can go and upload your funnel building service to Fiverr.com. But if you see here, this is like, there's a lot of competition and people are doing it for really cheap. So like $250. You want to be charging at least $2,000 minimum, $3,000 minimum, because you are worth that, okay? You want to actually get paid good money for doing this. Now, what I want to actually show you is some more free training on how you can go and create funnels and stuff, right? If you go to this page here, link in the description, you fill out the thing and you go and put in your email and you click continue. It will first of all to send you a bunch of free funnels, right? Like I mentioned at the thing, there's some free funnels. But if you actually sign up here, you can join a free workshop that shows you how to create funnels, gives you more funnels, and shows you how you can make money by creating funnels. So go and click that in the description below if you want to know more about how you can go and create funnels. So the gist of this method, guys, is very simple. You want to go and learn how to build quiz funnels because they're getting very popular nowadays. You want to go and find people online who have a small business and you want to offer a funnel building service for them. Once you start to build up a portfolio, you can then actually start to charge more and you can find more people and you will get work a lot easier. Now, I know this works because I pay someone to do this for me, and I know a couple of people who are actually making money with this. Some are making small amounts of money and some are making big amounts of money. All right, it's a very good method and you can make good money from this if you actually put some work and you actually have to do the work, okay? This isn't an easy method to do. But if you want some more methods on how to make money online, I'll leave some videos up on the screen right now that you can click that will show you exactly how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. Any questions below, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.